Alright guys, to continue where we kind of left off, we scraped Bitcoin from CoinMarketCap. Art has some pretty cool packages for finance. Let's see, but we need to convert this to an XDS object, extensible time series object, and right now we have a data frame. So if we take a look at this is what our data looks like basically. So to work with data, we need to convert this to a date format that R recognizes. So I'll walk you down the steps. So basically, this is a data frame. Let's actually rename this to Bitcoin view. Just don't like. Sorry, it's just a pet peeve. So the first thing we need is to convert this date here into something that R recognizes. So we'll just grab that first column, and what we need to do is so this is what all the dates look like. What I'm going to do first is replace these commas here just to make it easier. So let's put date. Let's gsub is from the base package. I want to replace all the commas with nothing. etc, and that's the first column. So now this is what our dates look like. It's basically without the commas. So now the next step is to convert it into a date that can be used with extensible time series objects. So what we need to do is put or use as plus PO6 CT, and we'll put date, and then the format is you need to put this in parentheses. So H is basically the abbreviated month, put a space, and then the day, put a space, and then year, capital Y, because it's a 4-digit year, and then hit run. And now let's take a look at our dates. So now this is what our dates look like. And then the following step is let's take a look at TC. Let's check what the class is first. Class. So it's numeric. Okay, so we'll put XTS. We'll put BTC. Let me check. Put ed BTC. So we basically want the open, high, low, and the close, which is the second, third, fourth, and fifth. So we'll do 2 to 5, and then order by, and then put date. And let's do BTC lowercase. Let's see if that runs. So now we have an XCS object that looks like this. Now you can use it with the packages that basically like FontMod. And now you could do chart series BTC. And now you have a nice little chart. If you get enough currencies, you could do analysis if you basically repeat these steps here. Let's take a look at what BTC did this year so far. All right, and let's see how much in percentages. Let's do cal or require performance analytics and calculate returns BTC close. And let's do discrete for the returns. We'll go reds. So we have reds now. Do charts, performance summary, reds, geometric, false, and let's actually do 2018. So this is what in percentages. So it went up 20%. That's the high watermark. Now it's down 20%. So you could do a bunch of this analysis. Performance analytics has some cool little functions that you could use. To stats. So we had a minimum day of 23%, which was like kind of like the recent crash, which is this part here. Average less than 1%. Standard deviation of 4% this year so far. So again, you could use this to your advantage, but I just wanted you guys to see how I kind of rearrange the data to make it easier to manipulate here in R. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Be happy to answer them, and I'll continue to make more tutorials on how to scrape data off of the web. Any suggestions, let me know. Alright, thanks for watching.